Good morning, friends. This is Tanya, and you are joining me today on a little adventure. I'm going back to the 70s. I've been asked to do a collaboration with Brenda and August and Grandma Kathy. And I thought, well, I am going to go on Pinterest, look at different color options. So that's what I've done. I have printed off a couple of different color options that I'm going to use and have fun with. So I have these colors here and I have these colors here. And I'm going to do a swipe. Also, I've been asked how my paints are mixed. This is my pouring medium, and basically it is Behr Premium Deep Base 8300 Interior High Gloss Enamel. So I do 2 parts of that. So I usually mix like 2 tablespoons of that to 1 sonja gloss varnish. So 1 tablespoon of that. And I usually do a big batch in a cup, mix it all around. So this is what it looks like. I made this yesterday to mix up my other colors for today's pour. So this is it, and the thing is, it's still too thick when I add the different paints, right? Because the paints, they are thicker. To thin it out, I use sonja until I get the desired consistency, honey sort of consistency. And this is a mixture of Cadmium Orange by Loft, and I've put in deep red, a squirt of deep red Loft as well in here to give me this sort of orangey red color. So that's my dark color, and of course Cadmium Orange is the other one I'm using, Loft, and then I've taken the Cadmium Orange and mixed it with yellow to make this. So might be a little thick. I did thin it out, but I don't know. Hopefully it won't be too bad. I am going to use Watermelon by this little Piggy. Like, that's a good consistency right there, I think. It's nice. Okay. And I am using, of course, the purple Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics, and that's a good consistency as well, I think. So my base is Glidden Essentials Interior Paint, white base. I have eggshell here, so I'm going to use this. Pour it down and then lay down my colors. I'm going to do them in the stripe sort of fashion. I'm going to try doing what that picture's done as well. And I am also using my cell activator. I'm going to use white. And it is Amsterdam Titanium White with Australian Floetrol, and that's 3:1. So if you mix it, say 3 teaspoons of Floetrol, and then you'll do 1 teaspoon of the white, or whatever color you want to do. I find it's a little on the runny side, so I usually add more paint, but that's what I start off with. And it's sort of a nice cream thickness, maybe like whipping cream almost, I guess. So there you go. So let me get down my pillow paint and I will be right back. All right, I'm back. I have my pillow paint down, and let's get started. Thin layer. Great. There we go. And then lightly drag it and hope that's something. Ooh. And I still have stuff on the other side, so let's try to see if we can do that. There we go. Wow, that is so cool. This down a little. Take some of that paint off. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, there's a lot of paint. Get some of this paint here off and there. Okay. Back to the center. All right, let's spin it. So bright, it's so freaking nice. I thought this is crazy, but no, it's not. And where did that bubble go? Right there. There. Oh, wow. Wow. All right, I'm gonna move this down and I'm gonna scrape the sides. All right, so here we are with the first one, and I'll just zoom in for you. There you go.